Happy New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve to you.
Happy New Year's Eve.
I'm Geraldine.
I'm Claudia.
And today we're going to cook you a wonderful romantic dinner for two that we're not going to share.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. We're just going to show you how to do it because maybe it's just you and your husband for New Year's Eve. Restaurants are closed, can't go anywhere. So this is a really nice, quick meal that's prepared pretty quickly. We can do this,
We
right?
can.
Okay. So tell them what we're making.
We're going to have a steak in Cajun creamy shrimp sauce. Ooh, say that 3 times fast.
I don't think I can. Shrimp sauce. Okay, no. We're not even going to try. Okay, so we're going to get over to the stove and we're going to start this party rolling. And we hope that you enjoy this as much as we are going to.
Perfect.
All right, here we go. Well, we hope you've enjoyed today's episode.
Yes.
That's going to be so good, and a dinner for two is just perfect. So I'm so ready for 2020 to be out the door, yes, and 2021 to be here. It's got to be better. So if you liked what you saw today, hit like on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, like us on Instagram. Right?
Yep.
Follow us on Facebook at A Journey Through Wine and Food or Wine Cook 2. And be sure to come back next time for some more fun and excitement in the kitchen.
Yes.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.